In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up email to Salesforce, a critical step for streamlining your communication processes and ensuring all your emails are automatically logged and linked to the right Salesforce records. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, this process is straightforward and will help you keep everything organized. First, we need to navigate to the right spot in Salesforce. Look to the extreme top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Here, you'll see your user profile avatar. It usually features your initials or a photo, depending on how you've set it up. Click on this avatar to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to select Settings. This will take you into your personal Salesforce settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your user experience. Once you're in the settings, take a look at the left side navigation panel. You'll see a list of different categories, but what we need is related to your email. So, locate the email menu. It might be collapsed, so if you don't see it immediately, just click to expand it. Once expanded, you'll see an option labeled My Email to Salesforce. Click on this option. This section is where you will configure how your emails interact with Salesforce. With that done, the next step is crucial: verifying your acceptable email addresses. This is essentially telling Salesforce which email addresses you approve to send emails that will be automatically logged into your Salesforce records. You'll want to ensure that your primary email address and any other addresses you use for business communications are listed here. This ensures that emails sent from these addresses will be correctly logged in Salesforce, associating them with the right contacts, leads, or accounts. Once you've verified and, if necessary, added any additional email addresses, it's time to save your settings. This might seem like a simple step, but it's a crucial one. By saving, you're ensuring that all the changes you've made are recorded and applied. Without saving, none of your configuration will be activated, and you'll have to start over. So, find the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the page, and give it a click to confirm everything you've set up. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your email to Salesforce. This setup will help you keep your communications organized and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. You can now enjoy the benefit of having all relevant emails automatically attached to the corresponding Salesforce records, saving you time and increasing your productivity. If you ever need to make changes or add new email addresses, you can always revisit these settings and adjust them as needed. Remember, keeping your email addresses up to date is key to maintaining seamless communication logging in Salesforce. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. Happy emailing!